Welcome! I will be talking about the features of an operating system. Now, an easy way to remember this is HISUE. So the H is for hardware resources, such as the management of memory and jobs passing through it. Then there's the I, which is for interface, but there are actually two things to the interface. The first one being that it provides an interface between the user and the machine. And the second is that it provides an interface between the application software and the machine, so software to the hardware, so that it can communicate well. The S is for security, which provides for data on system, particularly when lots of users have access. So this would be like if you've got a file server and you want to increase, if you've got the security things, so like password protected files and stuff like that. The U is utility software, so the maintenance can be done, such as disk defragment and disk cleanup. The E is for error handling, so that any errors in the computer are reported to the user. There's also scheduling to ensure that the resources of a computer, such as the CPU, are used efficiently as possible by all users and all jobs, which I'll get to that in a later video. More features and components. So there are the different types of management. So there's the memory management, which allocates the allocation of memory for use to use programs, as well as the storage and retrieval of data from memory. There's the resources management, the management of limited resources, including CPU time, memory, hard disk space, electrical power, external devices, and input-output operations. The input-output management, the management of input-output devices, so that'd be keyboard and mouse, and then the output would be screen, speakers, stuff like that. Then there is the device management, the management of all devices, such as storage devices and graphics cards, including input-output devices. There is the interrupt management, which manages the interrupts, so I've already spoken a bit about that. And then there's the user interface, which I've talked about, so the management of the user interface, for example a GUI for the end user, and the command line interface for a technician to diagnose faults. So you can actually just do this yourself within your own operating system. If you go onto your computer right now and just go start command prompt. Now, there's a file allocation table as well, the FAT, a map of where files are stored, also contain various metadata such as file names, access rights, and the file size. It is used by the operating system when files are saved, deleted, and accessed. The boot file, used while the operating system is loading, when the computer is switched on after post, the power on self-test, a form of self-diagnostics to provide personal data. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this and it's excitable. The next thing, as I've said, is the interrupts, so yeah, see you there.